Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert an Excel file to PowerPoint. This can be done by copying Excel data and pasting it into PowerPoint slide. Highlight the Excel data that you want to copy. Right click on it and click copy. Open PowerPoint. Select the slide and location on the slide where you want your Excel data. In the Home tab, click Paste and click Paste Special. This will open the Paste Special window. If you don't want the PowerPoint presentation to get automatically updated whenever the Excel data is updated, select the Paste option. If you want the PowerPoint presentation to get automatically updated whenever the Excel data is updated, select the Paste Link option. Select the Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object option and click OK. Your Excel data will be in your PowerPoint presentation. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.